Do you want to know how you can log into your First Horizon mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your First Horizon mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar. Now search for First Horizon Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the login portal of First Horizon. Now write down your email address and your password. Then hit the sign in button and then you can successfully sign in to your First Horizon mortgage account. Now if you have trouble signing in, click on this link and then write down your email and then click on send link. This way a verification code will be sent to your mail and then you can verify the link and change the password or solve the problems of signing in. I hope this video about how you can sign in into First Horizon's mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.